Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny e-commerce applications inside. Today we need to see this here the subcategory parts we need to showing here. Yesterday, last video inside we need to say this here the shopping categories. We need to make here the tab bars, women's, men's, kids, and inside we need to make like this here the main category list. And now we need to, after clicking here the main category, we need to show here the subcategory, like here the select here the new. Inside we need to get this here the top status like this in the it is you need to look like this here. So similar to UI we need to develop here. First of all, we need to make like this here the UI. We need to create here the new files inside the shop folders. We need to create here the new files and to give this here the name get sub get screen dot dots. Create here the stateful widgets, and we need to set here the subget screens and import this here the material dependency. Create here the scaffold like here and create here the app bars. We need to need here for this UI to write down here the app bars. Set here the leading containers. We need to put here for this UI. Like here, set here the titles. Maybe not containers. We need to put here the icon button. On press event, I need to write down here the backcodes context.pop extension method. If you not see here the second video, please first of all here the second video. Inside I explain in details how to create this, like here the extension methods. Maybe icons. Set here icon dot arrow back iOS. Set here color, the color, primary text. Let's need to setting here. Over this UI. Now, first of all, making like this here the configures open to the screen. So, need to go here inside here the woman shopping tabs, and we need to find out here the click events of the center events on context dot post extension methods. If you not see here the second video, please first of all here the see here the second video subcategory screen semicolons. Again, so we need to copy and paste. We need to paste here, select here, save. Now need to click events, not work. We need to check here the write down here. Wrap with widgets. Inkwell on press event on tab on press like here. Again, so we need to copy and replace with here the center text like here apply. Save here. This is our applying and click here and opening this here. Now need to give this here the names as the titles as the category. Now need to copy any one category's names. Shop tabs. We need to copy this line of text. Copy here. Already make in yesterday video, last video. You need to paste this all things here. And show like this here the back buttons, category titles, and search buttons. Need to put this here. Now need to create here this scaffold body. We need to develop here. Set here body, and we need to write down here the create here the column. Like we need to put this here. We need to set here the buttons. Write down here the button, round button. Set here the titles, view all item like yes on press event. Set like this here. Maybe we need to set here the padding. Set here explain 15. Show like this here the similar to UI. Need to set here and configure this here. Now need to set here the one title. So need to set this here. write down here text. We need to copy here for this value, and we need to paste this here and apply here the padding. Set here the metric horizontal 20. Categories, now to choice categories, set here the titles and set here the placeholder text. Set here the font size. We need to set here the 14 medium 500 and apply these here and make sure these columns we need to set here the cross axis alignment set as a start and show here and give this here the some height space size height. We need to set here the 15 and show like here similar to. Now we need to call this here the expand keyword. Expandable, expanded, and we need to build here the list view with separators like here's set here the items, context, indexed, and returns here the row. Let's set here the text, container, maybe inquire, on tab, event, set here the child, and we need to set this here the text, create here the row. It's good, child, and main axis alignment we need to set with here the start. Here's create here the separators. We need to develop here the context and index twin. Return this here's dividers like here. Set here the width, height. We need to set here 1. Set here color, the color. Maybe you need to use here colors black 12. It's good. And item counts, maybe need to already prepare this data showing here. Need to set here the list array, create like this brackets, and already I'm preparing this showing data. Need to copy and paste here, not to wasting times. Like we need to passing here the list. We need to give this here this count of this length. We need to providing here, and we need to get this here every length where, as well as we need to maybe need to convert into the containers is good. Remove this here, set here the childs, and use this here the text. And we need to get here the objects is equal to, we need to get here the list array index of value. We need to getting here's like here's. Now this property, first of all, we need to show this here the name titles. Flags you need to declaring here the name property against this value need to showing here for this data. Need to set it here. Now make sure so need to set here the 16 regular fonts. So need to use this here for this UI to string replace with here. Set here the styles, text styles, set here color, t color, primary text, and then after set here the font size 16 regulars. So need to use this font here for this UI and make sure so need to give this here the height. Use here and alignments dot call here center left and height. I need to give this here the 50 for this UI and integrated here. So need to set at this here this value, and we need to save here and show like this here the data and make sure so need to give this here the internal paddings. Need to also providing this here the this UI. Need to set here the paddings. Use this here the cost edges inset symmetric horizontals. We need to set this here the 20 and look like this here the similar to UI. We need to set it here for this data are the integrated, and we need to show this here these categories and this UI are need to done here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.